Good afternoon. A routine traffic stop ended in a big bust for law enforcement. What appeared to be a driver transporting horses turned out to be a huge drug haul, and it's happening more often. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart has the story.
It looked like a typical sight in southeast New Mexico, a man towing 4 horses, until a New Mexico Livestock Board inspector stopped him yesterday on US 70 between Clovis and Portales to check the documents for his horses.
This gentleman was very nervous, acted very suspicious. The officer thought something might be going on with the unit.
Plus, a similar stop by the same officer 3 weeks ago had him on high alert.
On that particular incident, the individual decided he would be able to prove ownership on them, and then after we impounded the horses, we never heard another word from the individual.
The driver stopped yesterday said he'd come from Roswell, but was very vague with officers about where he was heading, so deputies and drug agents were called in.
They started doing some measurement on the side of the trailer, and you could tell where there had been there was a void in the trailer, where something had been altered. You know, we really didn't know what it was. They brought in a dog. The dog alerted them to the trailer and also the vehicle.
They found a hidden compartment and a massive stash, 26 bales, more than 1,700 pounds of marijuana, worth about $2.5 million on the streets. The driver, 31-year-old John Travis Hare of El Paso, was arrested on drug smuggling charges. Livestock inspectors are aware this could be happening more. Since rodeo season is in full swing, there are a lot more livestock transports on the road, which means livestock inspectors are making more stops to verify ownership.
We've always been trained to be aware that there could be something like this. This time it happened. We need to always be aware that you never know what you're going to encounter when you pull over a vehicle.
In Clovis, Gabrielle Burkhart, KRQE News 13.
The Livestock Board is also investigating where those horses came from, but they say they were in good condition.